Good morning! Hi everybody! Good morning! We have a dense fog advisory this morning, and it's definitely foggy. 60 degrees and very foggy. So, good thing we're not out driving right now. See my boys up here in the chair. I did turn off the heating pad. So if it rained or stormed and they went in the doghouse, it wouldn't be too hot for them. If we have cooler nights, I'll go up and turn it back on. Good morning. Hi. Hi. It's okay. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness, that's a big stretch, Morris. It's a big stretch. Morris did sniff Johnny's hand yesterday and my hand this morning, and I was close to getting a pet in. Close. Are you walking this morning or are you being lazy? Looks like we're walking. Hey, bud. Is that the halfway tummy rub? Huh? And in just a few days, the ferns are up out of the ground. No surprise there. Little ferns, big ferns, all kinds of ferns. After trimming that butterfly bush, it's really put out some new growth. Looking really good. Hey, Gray. That's the perfect height for pets. Aww. Hi, cute stuff. My hand's kind of dirty from weeding some stuff while we walked. Hi. I got all kinds of weeds. Maybe some are impatiens. I think a lot of it's weeds coming up. I just can't wait to deal with that. I had some time to work on my Lego projects this morning. I have all of the bricks I need, or at least was waiting on, for the monster mansion, and I'm gonna work on that one this morning. I am ready to build the floor up here, and I can do some things without these bricks coming, more of the medium lavender, but I just kind of feel like working on this one today.
So the Google car just went by our house.
A car with cameras on top, obviously mounted on the hood. Google, stop.
The trees aren't leafed out.
Right.
I mean,
we can see the mailman, etc. when they're out there right now.
I see this movement through catches the corner. I was looking at Marianne. We were having a conversation, and so I was watching, and I saw the white the flickering through the leaves, and then there's one gap where it's a really good view, and I got a really good view of the roof of the car, and it had this monstrosity on top, you know, big thing, antenna. I mean, it was a structure on top of it. It's just a car, and it was a white car, very plain Jane, and it went around the cul-de-sac, and it left, and I saw it go up out of the subdivision. And I'm telling you, I'd bet some serious money on it. That was the Google car, or a car doing similar things that the Google
Sure.
technology does. So we'll have to go look and see in a week or two if
The street view, if it
Street view
changes or
changed.
something.
We
You should
should go
look
look at
today,
today.
and then we'll look and, yeah.
Right.
Cool. 72 degrees, 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Birds are chirping. People are mowing. Squirrels are talking. And Dawn is going to spend a
privet.
couple hours, pulling privet and getting a little exercise and avoid doing taxes for...
Put off. I got to do a little computer cleanup. Cables. I've got a drawer full of electronic stuff, and I want to. And my taxes stuff is in the electronic drawer, and now I got to clean out get my tax stuff out. So I'm going to clean out the electronic drawer this afternoon, and then I'm going to, if somehow any time left over, I guess I could start on taxes.
Well, I've been Don for a long time, and he doesn't do his taxes early, but he never doesn't get them done on time, and we'll just leave it at that. They'll be done when they need to be done, and he'll work on them when he... I'm not working on them, so Don will work on them when he feels... I used to do them at the other house, but thank goodness. And I did it by hand, like the paper, like wrote, like no tax tool or anything.
Yeah, I use an online tool to help.
Yeah. So I'm going to go get my older son here in a few minutes.
Yep.
We're going to do our Easterish dinner today. We're gonna have a spiral ham. I'm gonna make ice cream.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm not coming out to help with Dawn, because it's getting too close to poison ivy season. There's a lot of stuff over there.
Yeah.
And it's really past the time where I should be out there working, or I'm gonna get poison ivy again.
I'm gonna just do a little bit. I'm not gonna do a lot. I mean, it's probably take an hour over here, maybe at the most, and then I got a little bit over there I want to do. So like you said, it won't be any more than 2 hours. I'll be ready to call it quits by the time she gets back.
And then you'll be all exercised so you can have your ice cream. Not that Dawn and I think you can exercise your way out of eating too many calories, but if you're going to have a treat, you probably do want to at least exercise that day. So I walked down to the mailbox and back one time. I'm sure I'll be out with the cats, and
I can eat more calories in 3 minutes than I can exercise in 5 days.
Anyway, though, but I can't go get all dirty and then get in Ruby.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Have fun, Donnie. It isn't too bad. It's almost too hot.
It's a little sticky.
It's almost, the humidity's up. It's almost too hot.
The front actually passed us, and now it's back up.
Yeah.
The cold front went down below us, but it didn't make it very far south. And he said it was going to turn around and come back and be humid, bring up the moisture, and I can tell.
Yeah.
It's very sticky out there.
So I got the first floor done. All the windows installed. The roof, the porch isn't done. The next thing to do is there's a beam that goes from this side to this side. Actually has to be constructed because that's longer than they make the beams. You just put a couple staggered of double layer, and it'll be fine. This got instructions for how to make them. And yeah, I'm happy with how it's coming out. I'm gonna need to order some more brown windows for the next floor up. I don't have enough of that. I have them in white, but not in brown. As it is, the side window here and the side window here are black, which I think looks fine. But I'm gonna want, more brown windows, so I'll put in an order for those. Also need some more flat tile green grass. I want a nice sunny day for a drive. Guess I'm not gonna get that. I'm gonna get a partly cloudy day for a drive. It could be worse. I guess tomorrow there's a chance of hail in the forecast again. But today is supposed to be okay. So I will enjoy my ride in Ruby no matter what. Just better not see any tire pressure issues or noises today, right? I went through that yesterday. Although I did see a poor diva out in the Facebook group that she had 2 flat tires in a week. I call that really unfortunate circumstances. Bad luck, for sure. I guess they're working over here where they're putting these townhome ins even on a Saturday. Suppose you gotta work while the weather's good. Yes, Ruby. I'll let up on the accelerator a little bit. Traffic coming through Fuquay has been terrible. Gridlock back there by the Judd Parkway Main Street intersection. Yeah. So Ruby just dinged because she saw that right turn arrow and she shouldn't have. There's a couple spots in Fuquay where the arrow goes green, but obviously my lane is still red. She should not ding then. Anyway, as I was saying, traffic is really lousy out here today. It's taken me like 15 minutes to get this far. And yeah, I'm just sort of frustrated. It's sort of like Christmas traffic, only it's March. Maybe it's spring break traffic. I really don't think that's what it is. I think COVID is just over, in case you didn't know. And everyone is back to business as usual everywhere. And it's just, there's so much growth in Fuquay that the roads can't handle the traffic. But here, let me be in a nice calm mood. There's some Yoshino cherry trees, and boy, they're pretty. They're really pretty. So Don saw in the video this morning that Wright Brothers framed print, and he wants it. So I'm gonna go in and see if they still have it. Hopefully they do. So I said that Beach Buggy Racing, and it's actually Beach Buggy Racing 2, is as good as Mario Kart, and I was told no way. And then I said we have to play, and then I was told that I'm gonna get smoked.
You are. That's for sure.
Well, we're gonna have fun. You'll see. It's really good. And which one of these games do you... I know you know Cuphead.
Oh, Stardew Valley.
Stardew Valley, Fallout Shelter, Cat Quest. I hear that the Battle of Polytropia is really good. I hear it's good. I haven't played it. It's sort of a Minecraft looking thing.
They have chess. What a classic. They have all the stuff from when you were a kid.
Right. I like Centipede. Yeah. They got Millipede now too.
What's
well, one of us is in first place and it's not me. Brings back memories, huh? But I used to play Mario Kart with you.
You did, and who always won in Mario Kart?
Not me.
Don't know what you're expecting, Mom. You had enough?
I guess.
Good game, Mom. Good. Firm handshake. Firm handshake. Firm handshakes all around.
Hey, Midnight. Oh, I didn't mean to scare you away.
Of course, when you turn on the camera.
I didn't mean to scare you away. Go back.
Come on, Papa.
Because he was doing it for 2 or 3 minutes before I started filming.
And he's done now.
I guess. Midnight. Oh, there you are. Are you jealous? Jealous? So all your chipper shreddering worked out good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Don, I guess, cut so much stuff he decided to pull the shredder over and go ahead and chip it up. And more of the walkway is done or redone now. And I was about to forget because we were so hungry and Mom's tired. I don't know. Ever since we had the vaccine, I've been feeling more around the end of the day. I just been feeling tired, but the spiral ham, the crescent rolls, and the cauliflower mash, it all turned out just fine.
Yummy.
All right, there's the ice cream masterpiece. Johnny's learning how to play spades. Donnie's my partner. You're a pro. And currently going nil. It's fun. It's fun. Whose book was that? That was
our
Johnny's.
We only need one more to win.
No, we have our books made. We have 6.
But you could set me.
You could set me.